Wow. Look at the people skating, Marina. They're playing hockey. And look, it's the Grinch and the Who's.
Yeah.
Let's see. There's the Grinch. And are those polar bears?
And penguins.
And penguins. And the igloos.
Oh, look, the polar bear. Look in the igloo.
His tongue stuck to the ice. And look, it's Noah's Ark. Noah's Ark.
Giraffes and elephants.
Giraffes, that's right, Marina.
Here's the nativity.
And then up there, Santa's jumping into the
Look,
chimney.
They have, the police officer and the fireman and the army man and
Oh, they're all praying over.
Yeah, and it looks like a
little cold.
Construction worker all praying. Or maybe it's a basketball guy.
That's a firefighter, and there's a basketball player.
Yeah, I was like, I assumed he was all. They are all workers, but it's not at all. And then a few wise men, and oh yeah, there's a football player and a baseball player on the other side. Kneeling.
That's awesome. And the angels blowing their trumpets. And there's a carousel. Oh, and Santa. This is super cool. I've never seen anything like this before. Do you see the abominable snowman back there, Marina?
And he's shoeing the horse.
Look at the big carriage. They have a tree and horses. I don't know if you can see that on camera because there's so much going on.
Oh, there's a 9/11.
Look, the tractor's letting out some hay. And there's a cow.
Probably neat.
That guy, I don't think the video really does it justice how tall the snowman is. He's huge.
It's a beautiful piece. It's the crowning achievement. That and the cross are like the biggest thing.
The cross is gigantic. Let's see. There's another tractor.
Look at the wheat.
Okay. 1 second. There's a clown with some balloons. You can see Noah's Ark back there. This is so beautiful, guys.
Oh, yes.
Look at the church.